टेल।
Ball, it's tail, but it's
हेड्स
head.
हेड्स
ओके।
हेड्स या
आप अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं सब? ठीक है?
बस
मुझे
बढ़िया।
थोड़ा सा सर, आपने ट्रायल से है तो क्या प्लान करेंगे? आज आपका सेमीफाइनल मैच है और आगे गेम प्लान कैसा है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू ऑर्गेनाइजर को मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि सच ए लॉन्ग टूर्नामेंट इतने खूबसूरत से ऑर्गेनाइज किया एंड इट्स द मेन मोटो ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट इज आल्सो वेरी अपीलिंग। सबको चांस मिला है, सबको क्रिकेट खेलना है। दैट्स बीन अ वेरी नाइस मोटो। आज विकेट बहुत बढ़िया दिख रहा है एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स गोना चेंज एनीथिंग, सो विल चेस।
आप चीज़
हम लोग पहले बॉलिंग करेंगे।
यानी आपने पिच को देखते हुए या टीम को देखते हुए सैलियन के लिए आपने डिसीजन
नहीं
लिया?
नहीं नहीं, पिच को देखते हुए टीम तो हम लोग सब दोस्त है हमारा, हम लोग सालों से खेल रहा है
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
इसमें कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन पिच लुक्स गुड, इट्स गोइंग टू स्टे स्टेबल एज वेल।
आपकी बॉलिंग भी हेल्प करेगी पिच फास्ट होने में।
एग्जैक्टली।
थैंक यू सर,
थैंक
सो
यू।
मच।
थैंक यू।
बेस्ट ऑफ लक। अस्सलाम वालेकुम खौर भाई, कैसे हैं?
सलाम।
खौर भाई, आपकी तकरीबन मेरे ख्याल से पूरी हुई है तमन्ना है कि आप बैटिंग करेंगे पहले, तो आपको उन्होंने दावत भी दे दी है बैटिंग की, तो क्या प्लान कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे इस पिच पे देखते हुए? कितने रन आप ले पाएंगे?
हाँ, इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन। वो बॉलिंग करना चाहते थे, हम बैटिंग करना चाहते थे, तो ठीक है। मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली 180 200। हाँ, इसके
तो
करीब करीब करने की कोशिश करेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
हाँ, सर आपको पता है कि अच्छी नामुमकिन बॉलिंग की भी है,
उन्हें
स्पिनर भी
टीम
बहुत
टीम
ज़्यादा
भी
है।
अच्छी है।
टीम डेफिनेटली सर, टीम दोनों अच्छी है, वो सेमीफाइनल तक आई है टीम दोनों।
हाँ,
तो जैसे कि स्पिनर हैं, उनको भी आप देखें तो पिच कैसे हेल्प करेगी आपकी बैटिंग में या बॉलिंग को हेल्प करेगी?
नहीं दोनों को करेगी। स्पिनर्स यस बिल्कुल करेगी, ग्रिप करेगी बॉल। और अगर फास्ट है तो बैट्समैन को हेल्प करेगी। इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे नहीं नज़र आ रही टूर्नामेंट में फास्ट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से।
थैंक यू सो मच सर,
राइट।
बेंगल ऑफ बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
थैंक यू।
इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे फिर आगे
थैंक यू।
मैच में। थैंक यू
ऑल द
सर,
बेस्ट।
साइनिंग ऑफ।
Good evening, everybody. Assalamu alaikum Abu Dhabi. Welcome to this great match between ESC Stallions and ESC Renegades. As you know, this is a crucial match, a do-or-die match. This match is very important for both the teams because it's a semi-final. It's virtually a knockout. And this time, Asif Qureshi bowling a straighter one that's deftly placed by Quar Sheikh. Plays the ball with gentle hands, but no runs. For all those guys who just tuned in right now, let me tell you,
मैं ये आप यहाँ पे स्टूडियो में नहीं है, मैं बाहर लगा दूँ।
A lovely shot, picked the ball off his legs. Here's Rishan and lost the ball for a magnanimous 4 runs. And can see a lot of happening players from Abu Dhabi right now. Seen after a long time, Faizi is in the ground. We have Zoeb who's already packed up. He's got a new Malik MB bag today. So test out today. Let's see how it works. So this is a very crucial match for both teams. The knockout. For this time, Asif bowling stump to stump line this one, and Rishan deftly placing the ball back. Both teams have played very well in this tournament, and the Plate League have reached the semi-finals. I see Abdullah Afridi, I see there Yusuf Hashmi, Arjun the youngster, Tosif is there, Renegade dugout, I see Daniel, Farhan Bhai, the legend of our community is there, CC Qasim, all of them.
मेरा मोबाइल नहीं, आपके मोबाइल नहीं मेरा।
So Renegades working on a strategy, and
मुझे ये मेरा मोबाइल है, पता नहीं किसी और को दिया क्या? उधर हो गया क्या? देखिए
Renegades having a strategy, bringing in the left arm on early. They want to try slow against both the batsmen who are profound players of pace. Need to see that how exactly can Whippet be negated. So it's first ball. That's a lovely shot played by Quar Sheikh. Tries to cut the ball, but the fielder there very adept. It is Jadeja of Abu Dhabi, Sawad, who collects the ball well. And again he tries to catch the ball this time again. So ball goes to Sawad. So there's been two good balls here. Good to see a tournament where youngsters are promoted as well. Arjun, one of the well-known faces from the young club. So this time again, a lovely ball. It's good to see the line being maintained here by Vipin and deftly again played by Kaushik. So this is a good battle between a veteran and a youngster. So this time again, ball beating the stick. Keeper Bilal deftly collects the ball. This is 4-dot ball. So this time again, like a pair, Fazal Manan, very experienced campaigner, just back from a season in UK. Fazal Manan, next ball. And that is a good over. Excellent over from Vipin. Well watched by Kaushik. It should be a good competition because Ishan and Kaushik, both of them are aggressive batsmen. Quite humid weather out here in Abu Dhabi. Temperature is almost reaching 50 degrees with humidity almost 70+%, but good to see the energy, the excitement emoted by the players of both teams. So this time, ball on the off stick and very gently played by Nishan. Next ball, he tries to launch the ball, and will that be... Sawad is very quick on his feet, collects the ball just to his natural side, picks up the ball and releases it. The batsman not going for a single. And this time a wide ball. Down the leg. Umpire Shahzad, very senior umpire from UAE. And this time the pressure catching up to Zishan, and it's a straighter one which Zishan wanted to flick it towards the mid-wicket area, but unfortunately missing the ball. And now an in walks Abdullah Afridi, 88 number, a class batsman, played a lot of cricket in UAE, used to play for Etihad Airways, played for a lot of teams here, United Blaster, say Hyderabad Nawab, very different teams. Stallions have a great batting lineup with batsmen like Faizi, batsmen like Zoeb, all ready, all geared. So it should be a very interesting game. With that, the score is 8 for the loss of 1 wicket. 2.3 overs done. It's good to see audiences actually connecting and watching this match on Cricket. We can see 39 total views right now. Ali Akbar also there in the ground, I can see. Ali Akbar is also the team physio for Renegades. Qasim Abbasi leading the ESC Friends team. Next ball. And this time a ball outside the off stick. Well watched by Abdullah Afridi and left. Again a ball. Looks like the ball is stopping and coming. We need to see how exactly the ball is going to do. Oh look, that is a magnanimous hit. Well picked up by Abdullah Afridi. It's a great shot. Releasing the pressure for Stallions. Watching the ball, picking the leg and maximum result. Stallions having quite a good unit. So this time deftly played. And the batsman scamper for a quiet single. That brings the end of over number 3. Score rate 16 for the loss of 1 wicket. The batsman on strike is Parshi, he's batting on 1. Abdullah Afridi is batting on 7 off 3 balls. Nishan is the batsman who got out. Bowled by Asif Qureshi, scored 5 runs. That included a good boundary. That affects the field change. So the batsman moving towards the market end. Bro, you see? All good yaar, kaise ho? Yeah, you know, as usual, same disease which we had. And Vipin continuing back, he starts with the maiden. Now let's see what he can do. Oh, what a deft placement from Abdullah. Watching the ball till the last moment. Just glides it towards the fielder there, but the fielder collects the ball. No runs affected. For this time again the ball staying low from the market end as well. We have Arjun right now with me. You know, we'll be talking to youngsters during the game as well. We talk to them what are their plans, you know, and we understand from them that where do they see themselves in another 5 years. How was the experience with Stallions? Again, that is a ball that stayed low, and so 9 balls without a single is for Vipin. So this time a white ball. So that finally breaks the shackle and single affected. Now we can see Zen Butt walking all along. So this time again, that's a good ball from Vipin. He was spinning away, falling short of good length. Next ball, Vipin. So this has been a good, effective performance happening out here.
हाँ बस दे रहे
बैट लेते जा रहे हैं मार्केट में और हम लोग बैट खेल नहीं रहे। For all those guys who just tuned in, let me tell you, score moves on to 21. For this time, picked up the ball so well. The fielder there, Ashif Qureshi, he collects the ball and dispatches it to the keeper, Bilal. Single. So that brings up the end of over number 4. Feel a good spell from Vipin, 2 overs for 6 runs. Ashif Qureshi is 2 overs for 16. And I see a lot of champions from Friends CC. Mr. Mubashir. Walking Mr. Farooq, and I see little Mubashir also on the ground. So that ends up over number 4 and brings in Hunain. Hunain is the sensation of Abu Dhabi cricket. There's no doubt about it, because the way Hunain has been delivering his stuff, going about it with consistency, needs pension and needs applause. I see Farooq Bhai also on the ground. Today seems through injury. बॉल लगा हेलमेट नहीं पहने थे किसका बॉल था किसका बॉल था picks up the ball there and this time picks up the length. Hunain is a fighter and for sure he's going to come back, but Abdullah Afridi showing his class as well. That is the beauty of cricket. It's equal for batsmen as well as bowlers. You my friend, you know right? You forgot or what? Come on my boy. एक बार वीडियो गेम इतना खेल रहा था ना, अभी खेलता है? Mubashir bhai, does he play video games anymore? I love you man, thanks. Give me a hug for it. I'll bring you a special gift. You like the gloves? You go to Sandy Uncle's shop or whichever gloves you want, you take it for cricket. Okay? Because you are a good boy. Mobile video games नहीं खेलना, साहिल भैया कभी नहीं खेलता. Video games are for weak people. Good people come on the ground. Okay? Good boy. So it's a good game happening out here.
यार ये जोएब भाई
4.01 overs done. Score reads 28 for the loss of 1 wicket.
मैंने कहा कि जैसे ओवर एंड होता है ना पानी के लिए जाया करें ताकि फिर वेट करें.
We'll have some interesting conversation with Zoeb and his backs. We'll talk to Zoeb during the break.
चेयर चाहिए
आसिफ भाई गुड न्यूज़ बोले ना। हाँ आप अनस से पूछे ना, मुश्किल है बिकॉज मैं भाई अनस से पूछ लेना प्लीज़, अनस से पूछ के कर ले आपको जो करना है, क्योंकि वतन उसके हवाले है। यू हैव टू डील विथ वो ग्रुप जो है ना उसमें पूछे, बिकॉज सामर यू नो हाउ पर्टिकुलर इज, ठीक है डील उधर तो मुश्किल है, नहीं करेंगे ना तो सामर बहुत पीछे, तो बैट्समैन वाले पीछे पड़े हुए, कर ले कैसा भी, मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसी को भेज दे, मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ कोई लंगड़ा है, लूला है, अंधा मत भेजे, ठीक है ठीक है, बिकॉज डोंट डिले बिकॉज यू नो समर विल गेट बैक टू इट, सो बिकॉज आज भी बंदा केबलिंग का बंदा आएगा बोल के नहीं आया, फिर अब्दुल्ला भाई आए थे, या उनको भेज दो अब्दुल्ला भाई को, प्लीज डोंट डिले इट बिकॉज ना इफ यू डिले इट, समझ गए ना, क्योंकि सामर इन्वॉल्व है ना, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है ना, ठीक है हमारी बात हुई नहीं, मैं कमेंट्री कर रहा हूँ। The next ball starts off after the break. Oh, this time the fielder there. Excellent try there from Terence, the fielder. But that was a chance, and that could have been a wicket. So this time a bit shorter from Hunain, but that's definitely placed by Ford. नहीं मुझे अभी बाबा टाइम आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड, ये हेलमेट के अंदर से लगा आपको? नहीं बॉलर कौन था? आपका बैट लग के फिर आग पे लगा यार, आप हेलमेट आपने ये खोल के रखा हुआ था,
खोल के नहीं, वो प्लास्टिक वाला हेलमेट होता है ना, ऊपर का तो प्लास्टिक का होता है, तो वो गेट बना के अंदर, ये जो अभी ये हेलमेट आ रहा है ना वो हार्ड प्लास्टिक की तरह का, अच्छा वो सही नहीं है, वो ऐसे जैसे ही उसमें बॉल लगता है ना प्ले होता है, प्ले उसमें आ जाता है ना, वो वाला नहीं है। फिर मुझे आप लोग मुझे पूरा साइड दे दोगे, कमेटी भी कर देते हैं। फिर संदीप भाई सुबह से मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ, मुझे टीम हेड के फ़ोन आ रहे हैं कि आपकी सेहत कैसी है, सुबह से मैं फ्री नहीं हूँ, मेरे 22-25 मेंबर है टीम के, सबके नंबर बाई नंबर फ़ोन आए, फिर आपका तबीयत कैसा है, बाकी खुद आप सोचो कि मैं क्यों ये करूँ।
That's a good comeback from Hunain, kind of tightening the screws a little bit, but it's a good comeback from Stallions as well. For Sheikh, an experienced batsman. So this time, Hunain shortening the length, pushing the ball towards his leg, and the ball stopping and coming. That brings the end of the over. Number 5. Score reads 33 for the loss of 1 wicket. Good game of cricket all round from both teams. After a slow start from Stallions, they've recovered well. This time Vipin coming back. It's a very attacking field from Renegades. So this time the ball stopping and coming back, but Abdullah playing with soft hands. The ball staying a bit away from Ashok. Faizi is all padded up. Faizi is coming all the way from Sharjah, I guess. So let's see if he can deliver today. Again this time, Abdullah squatting the ball onto his knees and playing the ball definitely towards the square leg region, but the fielder there, Asif Qureshi, picking the ball well and releasing it back. We'll be talking to Zoeb during the break as well. Zoeb, if you're around, we need Zoeb and his bats. This is a story we'll talk about today. Again the ball, this is a ball down the leg as umpire Shahzad showing with his actions. Kwarshik wanted to turn the ball towards the fine leg region. So this time the ball stopping. The ball staying a little short of good length and just rising. The keeper Bilal picks up the ball. The ball falling on the third stump and deviates towards the fourth stump. So this time he lofted the ball going high there. Terence running towards the ball, need to see whether he can take the ball, and that could be a run out. Kwarshik sacrificing his wicket here for Abdullah. That's a very great gesture from Kwarshik. And that's an equally good throw from Terence here, bringing the wicket number 2. मुबशर जूनियर भी आज ग्राउंड में आए हुए हैं. काफ़ी जानदार शानदार प्लेयर है ESC फ्रेंड्स के. नेक्स्ट जनरेशन प्लेयर है. विशाल भी है. ESC फ्रेंड्स ऑलवेज प्रमोटिंग यंगस्टर्स. 95 नंबर की जर्सी पहने हुए यंगस्टर है. हम इनसे भी पूछेंगे कि क्या इनके क्रिकेटिंग ड्रीम है ब्रेक में. इनसे गुफ्तगू करेंगे हम लोग. गुड इनिंग्स फ्रॉम Kwarshik comes to end. He played well because it was a difficult wicket and I think he's seen the hard thing off. यार वो हेलमेट कौन सी कंपनी की थी? हाँ? ओरिजिनल? यार आपने वो कंपनी को सू कर सकते हैं आप? हाँ? आप कंपनी को सू कर सकते हैं बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सपोज टू गो. आपको पता है आप कंपनी को सू कर सकते हैं.
वो इतनी तेज स्टॉपेज हुई ना कि उसके नट भी उड़ गए.
हाँ तो गलत है ना ये.
लेकिन वो भी फिर भी उसी ने बचाया ना. बचाया भी उसने स्लो लगाया ना. अगर उसी स्पीड से अंदर घुस जाता उस पे जेपी होता तो क्या होता.
Brings in Zoeb on strike. Zoeb is a lovely batsman, very good to eyes to watch. Zoeb having the same stance of Mike Gatting. Six overs, 25 for the loss of 2 wickets. It's a good contact happening from both sides. Who's your brother? Brother, why are you not bringing him nowadays? असल में आपके बच्चे कहाँ आते नहीं आजकल गाँव?
आए थे आज मैच छुट्टी भागा है. उनको पता नहीं है गाँव.
This time, a short of one from Hunain. The ball pitching and deviating towards soft stick. Wide declared by umpire. Next ball there, appealing for a leg before. The ball stopping on the batsman and quickening.
score moves on to 44 in 6.4 overs. Abdullah batting on 21 of 15 and Zohaib on 5 of 3. Italians on 43 of 6.4. And that's a big 6 over Squalek. Brings up 49 for Q of 6.5 overs. Good pickup shot by Abdullah Afridi. Moves on to 27 with 3 sixes and 1 four. That's driven to point and it's a dot ball. The score moves on to 49 after 7 overs. Good comeback by Stallions. Abdullah Afridi batting on 27 and Zohaib Ali on 5. The new bowler is Pranav, your spinner. He'll be bowling to Zohaib Ali. That's an edge and that's out. Pranav strikes of the first ball. Zohaib goes for a cut outside the off stump and Scott behind. With that, Stallions lose the third wicket, 49 for 3. Great start by Pranav, as he has Zohaib Ali caught behind. Good catch by Bilal. Excellent start by Pranav, picking up the wicket on the first ball. Zohaib Ali is out, brilliantly caught by Bilal. New batsman, Mohammad Faizul Khadir, gets ready to face his first ball of Pranav. Italians at 49 for 3 in 7.1 overs. In this first semi-final of the play, Pranav into Mohammad Faiz. That's pushed towards point and the pick up a quick single. Brings up the 50 for Stallions. 50 for 3 in 7.2 overs. Bowls to Abdullah Afridi, who cuts it past point, and that's a boundary. Little short of length. Afridi went on the back foot and punched it past point to move on to 31, and the score goes to 54 in 7.3 overs. With that boundary, Abdullah moves to 31. As Pranav comes in from the roadside end, bowling to Abdullah Afridi. And that's a beautiful ball as Abdullah tries to cut that again and misses when beaten all in jump. That dot ball, the score stays at 54 for 3 in 7.4 overs. Pranav coming in again for Abdullah Afridi, and that's hit hard and that's out. That's a beautiful catch by Sawad, and they've got the big wicket of Abdullah Afridi. Pranav's creating havoc here with 2 wickets in his first over. Big wicket of Abdullah Afridi. As he's out caught Sawad for 31 of 19 balls. That wicket's a big blow for Stallions as Abdullah was batting beautifully. Whenever the score starts moving, there's a wicket which stems the flow of runs. The new batsman is Amir Hamza. He'll be facing Pranav, who's already picked up 2 wickets in his first over. 2 big hitters, Zuhaib and Abdullah Afridi. Stallions still has a lot of batting firepower. Pranav from the roadside end, bowling into Amir Hamza. That's a beautiful ball as Amir goes for an expansive shot through covers, misses it. And that's the end of an excellent over from Pranav. 1 over, 5 runs and 2 big wickets. The end of 8 overs, 54 for 4. Captain handed the ball over to Sahil, the young leg spinner. Sahil's an upcoming cricketer who's been doing really well. Excellent leg spinner and left hand back. As he runs in from the road end, bowling to Amir Hamza. Mohammad Faiz. Sahil bowls on the middle end leg and Hamza pushes it towards mid wicket and picks up a quick single. Score moves to 55 in 8.1 overs. The spinners of Renegades have really done well. Sahil comes in and bowls to Amir Hamza. That's a big hit. That's a big 6. It's right in the slot as Hamza hits it way over long on for a huge 6. With that 6, Stallions move to 61 for the loss of 4 wickets. Sahil getting ready to bowl the third ball of his over. Running into ball to Mir Hamza. He's batting on 6 of 2 balls as Sahil comes in. Oh, that's a beautiful comeback by Sahil. Amir goes for another big pull and then he misses the ball. A good comeback by Sahil. One for 4 of 8.3 overs as Sahil comes in. Goes to Amir. Amir's hit it straight over the bowler's head and he picks up 6 more. Beautifully timed shot by Amir Hamza, hit it straight as an arrow. Right over the bowler's head to pick up 6 more. With that he moves on to the score moves on to 67 and Amir is on 12 of 4 balls. Striking at 300 at the moment. 2 excellent sixes. Side over from the road end. That's another beautiful shot. Let's see what's going to happen. Is it going to be caught? No. That's another maximum. Well connected by Amir. And that's a beautiful 6. With that, the score moves on to 73. And Amir is only dealing in 6s. 18 of 5 balls with 3 sixes. With that maximum, Stallions are 73 for 4 and 8.5 overs. Some lusty hitting by Amir. Sahil comes in with the last ball of his over. Amir hits it through covers and picks up another beautiful boundary. Stuck with immense power. The long off had no chance to block that. With that, the score moves on to 77 for 4 at the end of 9 overs. Amir is on 22 of 6 balls. Striking beautifully at the moment. Amir is leading the Stallions fight back with brutal hitting. It's going to be Pranav, the off spinner, coming into ball to Mohammad Faizul Haq. He's on 2 of 2 balls. Pranav comes in, Pranav over the wicket to Mohammad Faiz. Having one last look at the field, making some adjustments as he runs in. Away from us. Faiz pushes it back towards the bowler, a little wide of him and sensible batting as he picks up a single and brings back Amir on strike. 78 for 4 of 9.1 overs. Pranav runs in and bowls to Amir. That's a beautiful shot in between mid-on and mid-wicket. Beautiful shot, well placed, and that's 4 more. With that boundary, Stallions moves on to 82 for 4 in 9.2 overs, and Amir is at 26 of 7 balls. Renegades have to quickly think of getting rid of Amir if they have to bring the scoring down. He's just running away with the game at the moment. Pranav comes in, Pranav over to Amir. Outside the off, Amir pulled it What's going to happen? Oh, Ashok just went over Ashok. That's a very unfortunate thing by Ashok. It just went over him to 6. Could have been a wicket. Pranav came back well with that ball, but Amir Hamza was just able to clear Ashok. The score moves on to 88 for 4 in 9.3 overs. Next ball, oh, that's hammered way over mid wicket for 6. It goes to show that catches really make a difference. That's 6. Score moves on to 94. Hamza on 38 of 9. 5 sixes and 2 fours.
They have to learn to play all matches. अभी मतलब अभी should be very disappointed, but I understood if these boys don't give up now, they can only grow. See, हमें अभी लेना सही है, इंस्टेड ऑफ टॉप लेवल में जाके यहाँ ले लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. They performed also. See, there is every match you can. 6 players at 8-15, twice coming away from it. What is not performing? He told you also, right? I told you, Sarabha also. I told him that guy is playing against top teams and he is performing. So, minute matches, I kept talking about it. You know, for now, see, I said, अगर तुम अपनी जगह बनानी है तो टीम भी बना लो. Don't play with 22s and running against the play. No, he's telling me. I said, still with his leg, I go out of every 4 match I hit 150. 4 matches, 150 is enough, right? And who's my competitor in the team that is scoring it? That I should be possible. Exactly. I mean, if he's so good, why didn't he play? Yeah? In the town. Son, how is it? Nice?
Pranav over the wicket to Amir. That's a beautiful catch. Superb catch, and that's the end of Amir Hamza.
So that's a blistering innings from Hamza. Played excellent. You know, the ball, wickets, he stayed 38 runs, he scored off 10 balls, trying to change the complex. So excellent innings. At the same time from Hunain picking up a blinder. Could call a blinder. It's a big sigh of relief for Renegades. But the beauty is that excellent run rate is what Stallions have right now. Excellent innings from Hamza. A great inning. At a strike rate of 400 plus. What a strike rate from Hamza. The full dugout is standing up for him, cheering him up. Excellent performance.
ये ना ये हासिल है, जब आप एक कमेंट्री करना सीख जाते हो ना, मैं समझ रहे वसीम अकरम हो गया, सुनील गावस्कर हो गया, आप ना इमोशनल होना बंद करते हो. पहले होता ना, साहिल को देख के मेरा फेस अभी ना वो देखिए अंदर से सुकून आती है. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ हम जितना पतला होते जाएंगे ना,
It's a good comeback of sorts for Stallions. I mean, like, what a counter-attacking innings from Hamza. Played a blistering knock. And this was a blinder of a catch from Hunain, which should kind of try to give some respite to Renegades. But we need to see whether Rana Amir, who's coming to bat, he is equally good. I need to see that what would be his strategy along with Faizi. Faizi himself is a great hitter of the ball. There is a 10th over in progress. For all those guys who tuned in late, just to give you an update, we have got 166 total views for the match. For this time, played it deftly, and the ball is going on to. That's a good backup there from fielder Safwan. So this should bring up energy. That brings over number 10 to a conclusion. आपको बता दें ये मैच काफ़ी मज़ेदार मैच, कभी ये इटालियंस के हक में, कभी ये रेनेगेड के हक में जाता हुआ। काफ़ी अच्छी शुरुआत थी विपिन के द्वारा, पहला ओवर मेडन ओवर उन्होंने किया, उसके बाद Abdullah Afridi came to bat and he played a very good counter attack innings, and then this innings from Hamza at a strike rate of 400 plus. Then this catch from Hunain. Hunain is back to bowling. Need to see what can he bring to the table. और इस बार इस गेंद को हल्के से खेल दिया यहाँ पर फैजी ने, लेकिन फील्डर वहां पर बड़े सतर्क अशोक, जिन्होंने गेंद को अच्छी तरह से कलेक्ट कर लिया। और ये अगली गेंद, इसको भी हल्के हाथों से खेल दिया फैजी ने, लेकिन अशोक, जिनको हम सब लोग जानते हैं, ही इज कॉल्ड द जॉन्टी रोड्स ऑफ Abu Dhabi cricket for years, showing that maybe he had a bad feeling, but he came back very good. For this time again, that's a sizzling ball there, and it's a throw there, collected, good backup there, and that is a good comeback here from Team Renegade. Home 11 in progress, Rana Amir on strike again. Brings on the southpaw on to bat. Junior Mubashir, very active player. He is the future of Abu Dhabi cricket. Today we had a very horror experience that we shared. One of our players got injured on his eye, Farooq. So this time, trying to swap the ball towards the leg side, and that is umpire Shahzad calling it. The batsman doesn't seem satisfied, but everything is with the umpire, so kind of here. That should bring Yusuf on to strike. Yusuf is left-handed. Left-handed, right-handed. Right. Bowling left-handed, na? Bowls left-handed and bats right-handed. Yusuf Hashmi is a game changer himself on any given day. He can change the complexion of any game. Very effective.
कम करना ऑफ करना राणा में एक्टिंग को 7 6s in 3 games, तो ये बोला पापा जहाँ भी मिलेगा मेरे को उसको आउट करना ही नहीं, उसको करना ही है। 2 6s in ADC CC, यहाँ पर 2, अल्टीमेट में 3, पर बोला when I get him next time I'll get him.
Cricket is always, you know, on that day who performs is he plays well. So that's a good comeback from Hunain. It's been a good over. Just given a single and excellent spell of bowling. Yusuf Hashmi is so very good batsman, picks the length of the ball and dispatches it for 6s. That is what is his speciality. So this time Yusuf wanting to deftly place the ball towards the point area but missing the ball, and keeper Bilal collects the ball deftly. No runs. काफी अच्छा ओवर ही गया यहाँ पर हुनैन के द्वारा. और इस गेंद को हल्के हाथों से खेल दिया. वहां पर फील्डर दलील ने गेंद को पकड़ लिया और कोई रन नहीं यहाँ पर. इसके साथ ये ओवर खत्म. तो काफी अच्छा ओवर गया, सिर्फ एक रन आया इस ओवर में. Pranav back to action. Pranav has taken 3 wickets, given 22 runs in his but then that over was expensive where Amir Hamza played a great knock. Hunain runs it from the market and Pranav, who's running in, drops the ball short on the off stick, and Faizi wants to cut the ball but missing the ball, and fielder there Safwan collects it. No runs. So this time again a straight ball. Faizi wanted to play down the mid wicket area but misses the ball and goes straight down to the bowler. Straight ball and no runs. So that's a very quiet single from Faizi. It's been a, we can say, up and down game with the ball changing course. Started off with Renegades bowling a great spell in the beginning. Then we saw a great innings from Abdullah. And then came Abdullah's wicket and then a blistering knock. A staggering run rate of 422. 38 runs of 10 balls for Hamza changing the game. Again Hunain taking a wicket. And there comes again Pranav with the next ball. This time the ball touching the legs. There's no fielder there in the final leg region. The fielder Vipin runs all the way. The keeper there Bilal collects the ball and batsmen get 2 runs. We need to see that from the umpire whether it's by declared or whether it's a legitimate run. It's off the bat. It's 2 runs. 98 is the score. It's 12th over in progress. But this time he swats the ball. It's a great placement shot from Yusuf. 4 runs. That brings up the 100 for Stallions. Stallions reaching their 100 in the 12th over. 11.5 balls done. So this is over number 12 in progress, 11.5 balls done, 102 for 6. It's been a topsy-turvy game here, a game of ups and downs, a seesaw battle between 2 sides. So this time again, what a sensible placement from Yusuf. Nito, what a beautiful shot from Yusuf. Watching the ball till the last moment and just guiding it for 4 runs. $106 for 6. 12 overs done. Sahil back to bowling. The first over was a bit expensive from his side. 23 runs where Hamza played some nice knocks of Sahil. So need to see that will there be a comeback or will Faizi take on it? This time trying to start the ball and definitely plays no runs here. This time again a ball down his throat and that's 4 runs, 6 runs. (112 for 6). Faizi picking the length of the ball and dispatching it for the maximum. Let me get the score sheet for you guys. Rishan 5 runs, Khwashik hit 6, Abdullah Afridi 31 of 20 balls. Zoeb is on scored 5 runs. Mohammad Faiz not out on 11. Amir Hamza great innings for 38. Rana Amir unfortunate 0. Yusuf Hashmi 10 of 5 balls batting. So well, this time a quicker one from Sahil and Faizi plays it deftly to the fielder there who collects the ball well. Next ball. This time a single down to long off area. When he picks the ball, just a single. So this time a wide ball on the off stick. So this time he's got a good ball now to Yusuf. Yusuf, a very good batsman off spin. And ends the over well. Here's Sahil, so had a comparatively better second over, just 8 runs of it. And score is at the end of 13 overs, with the side changes as well. Score is 114 for 6 wickets. It's 8.77 is the run rate. The projected score is 175. Renegades winning the toss and deciding to field first. Let me get you the bowling analysis for Renegades. Asif Qureshi 2 overs for 16. He's taken a wicket. Vipin, excellent spell. 3 overs includes a maiden. Started off with a maiden, gave only 8 runs. Hunain 3 overs 26 for a wicket. Pranav 3 overs 33 for 3 wickets. Sahil Bol 2 overs for 31. Let me get you also an update on the fall of wickets here. Rishan, the first wicket to fall, 2.3 overs done, 8 runs was the score. Farshek fell when the score was 35. Zaib Ali fell on 49. Abdullah fell on 54. That was 8th over in progress. Amir Hamza changing the complexion of the game, 94. 9.5 overs done. Rana Amir was the last wicket to go, 95. So it's quite a healthy partnership here between both the batsmen right now, Faizi and Yusuf. They still have some armory in their lineup. Tausif is a great batsman, he's a left-hander. Southpaw, Qasim can hit some shots. Mohit and Arjun.
मोहिल भाई आप भी फ्रेंच सीसी से खेलते हैं? अच्छा, वेरी नाइस। आपकी रिहाइश यहीं पे पास में?
सिटी में।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से? इंडिया पाकिस्तान कहाँ से? पाकिस्तान कौन से शहर से? अच्छा, फारूक भाई मैंने पता कितना टाइम हो गया क्रिकेट खेल के।
देख रहा हूँ आप नहीं खेल रहे हो।
यार अभी मेरा पैर को रहता ये नहीं मिल रहा।
फ्रेंड में आ जाओ।
हाँ?
खेलने आ जाओ।
क्या बोले?
फ्रेंड में आ जाओ खेलने।
नहीं नहीं, क्रिकेट है, क्रिकेट, थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिकेट है मुझे, क्रिकेट क्या मैं सोच रहा पता है, क्योंकि आपको पता है मेरा गेम कैसा मैं लेके चलता हूँ। मुझे पूरा 20 ओवर ले पूरा मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मेरा भी पैर रखे ना, मैं भाग नहीं पा रहा हूँ। तो क्या हो रहा है?
और इस बार इस गेंद को हल्के से खेल दिया। यहाँ पर देखना है अंपायर शहजाद भाई इसको लेग बाय डिक्लेयर करते हैं कि नहीं। कोई इशारा नहीं अंपायर की तरफ से। ये विपिन हैज कम बैक फॉर हिज 4th ओवर।
आज मैंने फिर ना थोड़ा फनी खान को खेला। फनी अच्छा बाउंसर मारता है ना, तो ये हम गेम वापस आते हैं ना, तो हमें उन बॉलरों को खेलना चाहिए जहाँ पर हम थोड़ा एक्टिव रहेंगे, क्योंकि ऑर्डिनरी बॉलरों को खेलेंगे ना हमें वो नहीं मिलेगा। और अपनी बॉडी को ऑटोमेटिकली वो फनी को मैंने बोला तू जितना बाउंसर मार सकते मार।
क्या प्रॉब्लम है फालतू?
यार ऑपरेशन हुआ पता है ना आपको?
अच्छा
नहीं पता, 1-1.5 साल हो गया।
अच्छा कौन सी जगह का?
ये नी का
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
मेनिस्कस और ACL। इंशाल्लाह मैं वेटरन टूर्नामेंट में खेलूंगा।
रिकवरी कैसे चल रही है?
रिकवरी अभी काफ़ी पतला भी हो गया, देखा ना आपने, वेट का लूज कर लिया, अभी हो जाएगा।
Oh, what a beautiful shot there from Yusuf, watching the field, placing it very well, but just getting a single for it. Hunain picks the ball, releases the ball towards the bowler. Just a single is the result. Seems to be a quiet period right now because after Amir left, there's no much fireworks, but I'm sure Stallions have something down their sleeve. Oh, this time again, deftly placed. The fielder Dhanil there, running behind the ball. He's trying to collect the ball, need to see if he can go for a boundary, and that is a 4 runs from the batsman's blade. Deftly placed between the fine leg region is what Faizi is all about. .120 is the score. The 14th over progress, but again the ball. Vipin has got a great spell. Still unlucky that he didn't get a wicket, but so economical was his 4 overs. 4 overs for 14 at an economy of 3.50. Really commendable. And the bowler Danil, number 7. Danil is actually using his slower ones. He's very well known for his slower ones. And that's well picked up by Yusuf, waiting for the ball and gently dispatching it over the fine leg fielder's head for 4. And there's a good comeback ball from Danil, but equally well played by Yusuf. Playing very sensible cricket is what Yusuf is doing right now. Yusuf on 16, Faizi on 17. So this time, straight ball and it's a lovely shot from Faizi. Picks the length well and great shot. Oh, what a lovely ball this time. Short length, but need to see whether the ball is stopped there. Yes, he stops the field and the batsman scamper for 2 runs.
कासिम भाई कर दो ट्रांसफर हाँ क्यों नहीं है हाँ कोई बात नहीं अभी कर लेता हूँ अभी कर लेता आ जाए ना
So it's a good innings from this guy. Oh, that's a good ball from Danil. It's a good over from Danil. So he got it for a 4, but he's come back.
105
What's the line?
IBM के साथ बोलना है AE
बोला
AE
फुल नेम
full name Qasim Aziz Abbas UASIN AZ
हाँ अजीजी
no first आता है Aziz Qasim Aziz Abbas
निकनेम
नाम कुछ भी डाल दो AE 87 00 3001 0
105 102 132 101. आ गया बेटा अभी आ गया ओके 1000 ट्रांसफर डिस्क्रिप्शन
ओके थैंक यू सो मच 30 को इंशाल्लाह
नो प्रॉब्लम मैं काम करता हूँ मैं अपना क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर आपको दे रहा हूँ आप उस टाइम पे MSNB में जाके ATM में डाल दें MSNB अकाउंट है ना आपका मैं आपको कार्ड नंबर भेज देता हूँ उसमें डाल दो कोई बात नहीं मेरा 30 तो मेरा भी कार्ड का पेमेंट का दिन नहीं होगा
28-29 को सर्विस आता है ना 30 में एक दिन गैप रखना
आप मुझे बिल्कुल ना बोले प्लीज़ फॉर यू आई नेवर थिंक
थैंक यू
नहीं मैं बताओ मैं बोलो आपको पता नहीं मैं अबू धाबी में ना मुझे कुछ गिने चुने हीरोज लगते हैं कैसे भाई प्लेयर्स अरे आपको पता है मेरे पास टाइम पे मैंने कभी साल में और मैंने कभी नहीं मैं हमेशा मेरा है ना एटीट्यूड मुझे पठान नहीं दिया आपको पता है कि मैंने इतने साल में मुझे ऐसे लोग भी मिले मैं पता नहीं ग्राउंड में कैसे लोग हैं नाम नहीं लूँगा मैं हीरोज को समझता हूँ ये देखो ये काफी मैं I'm not a bad, I'm not a bad businessman. I invest in people. खुशी से ज़्यादा क्या होता है ना वहाँ पर क्या होता है ऐसे लोग भी हैं जिनको पैसे मिलने के बाद ना अगली बार जॉइन नहीं करना मोटिवेशन खत्म हो गया सही है ना आपने भी इतना फेस किया होगा फिर अगली बार ना वो शर्मिंदा हो जाता है वैसे लोगों को नहीं मैं जो मिलता हूँ मैं जब ऐसे लोगों को मिलता हूँ ना फिर मैं लोगों को क्या हो जाता है फिर बेटा चलो खाना खा लेते और क्या है इसी बात मैं आपको बताता हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है आप मेरा गॉड है
पानी चाहिए
कहाँ गया मैंने मोबाइल लेना
What a delivery from Hunain. Excellent delivery. That is bowling under pressure, and what a lovely ball and bowling to a batsman like Yusuf. who loves to launch himself. This is good overall cricket. Faizi and Yusuf very sensible batting, taking the innings. The sixth wicket fall at 95. Again, what a lovely ball. What a lovely ball. Shortening the length and letting the wicket do something. This is good overall cricket.
Rivin, inne, Rivin, Rivin, Rivin. ഇന്ന് നിന്ന് കളിക്കാട്ടോ, ഇന്ന് കളിക്കാൻ മുഴുവൻ കളിക്കാൻ ആവശ്യമില്ല. ഒരു 10-20 ബോള്.
Again he picks the length and launches it for a great six. What a good cricket all round. Hunain bowling very well, and then Yusuf also coming back with a six. That was could be a drop catch. No idea because there's no sneakometer in action, but it was a good ball from Hunain. Oh, what a lovely ball here. I got an office call. Something I have to submit tomorrow. Like trip है उमल को इनका.
Something keeps happening, right?
What to do every time, you know, क्या करें?
Office never actually go.
ठीक है चलता है ना. रोजी रोटी है तो हम हैं. वैसे यही में रखेगा कौन हमें?
Faizi playing a lovely shot down the ground. Fielder there, Asif Qureshi picks the ball and releases it back.
Safan's
bowling a second over. That brings the southpaw Arjun Manoj on strike. I can see his father really walking up and down the ground there. A lot of nerves. It's a very brave move to send Arjun. So this time, Captain Zishan doing a very brave move of getting the. It's good to see Stallion supporting youngsters and promoting youngsters as well. We got a lot of unwanted audience in the ground as well. You see this pussycat walking up and down the ground. For this time, trying to yoke him out, and the fielder there. The batsman could have scampered for 2 runs, but the experienced Faizi declaring that he's going to face the ball himself and not let Arjun be exposed. So still we have 15 balls. For this time, Safwan is bowling good Yorkers, and this time both the fielders, they're missing the ball, and batsman Faizi gets a 4 for it. It was a good ball from Saiko Safwan, tried to York the batsman, but unfortunate results here on the ground, guys. Oh, what a launch there from Faizi. Picks the length of the ball, and that's a magnanimous 6. .160, it's a very healthy score, it seems like. 160 the score, it's 18th over in progress. Safwan bowling a bit short. What a launch! Everybody just a spectator watching the ball. What a great shot! It's a straight hit from Faizi. That's end of over number 18. Brings Arjun on strike, and Daniel will be the bowler.
शादी किधर है लेकिन फिर किधर घूम रहे हैं छुट्टी तो है किधर टिकटॉक बना रहे हैं
18 overs done, 164 is the score. Projected score is 182. We need to see whether what happens, whether the demographics can change or not. So there's a ball outside the off stick from Daniel, watched well by Arjun. With that score moves on to 165, 12 balls remaining. So this time a wide down the leg from Daniel. Well watched by Arjun. Again a wide ball from Daniel. A great comeback from Stallions. They got people chipping at the right time. And this time, a straighter one. Passes to Arjun Gate. Keeper Bilal very, very sharp. Not allowing the ball to pass to his gate. For this time, a ball and the fielder there, Safwan. Could have been a run out, but very well run by both batsmen. Faizi playing very sensible senior cricket, taking the strike here right now, facing Daniel. 10 balls remaining here. A beautiful shot there. Off his legs. 4 runs is the result. Fezzi batting very well. Score is now 46 for him of 29 balls. Very responsible innings from Fezzi. This time walks down the ground, launches for the fielder there, Hunain, collects the ball well, throws it back to Danil. That's a wide ball, outside off stick. What a launch from there, Will. Oh, what a catch there from Pranav. It's a super stupendous catch from Pranav. Watches the ball under the lights, collects it so deftly, and that brings Fezzi's quick fire innings. Played very well, Fezzi, scoring 46 runs of 31 balls. He misses his 50, but what matters here is the role that he played for his team. That is why they say when he comes from Sharjah, he delivers. Beautiful innings from Fezzi. Great innings. This innings, you can say that Abdullah, Yusuf, Hamza, everybody chipping in with good knocks. Danil picking up this wicket. So this time a ball down the leg from Danil. So this time the southpaw hits for a single. That should be the end of over number 19. A very good score on board. 175 is the score. Need to see whether how Renegades are to plan their approach for this. Safwan to bowl the final over. Bilal keeping the ball well here. Should be a good contest. Tausif an experienced campaigner, and need to see what Safwan will bowl against Tausif. Two left-handers right now in the crease. So that's a shot that they played straight. Need to see they want to come back for 2 or no. The keeper there collects the ball, asking for a run out chance, but umpire Fazal Manan very alert, declaring that it is not out. Fezzi having a lot of weight on his tummy. Zishan there making some notes. For this time,
अर्जुना प्ले योर हार्ट आउट प्ले कॉन्फिडेंटली शाबाश
he balls down here from oh, this time what a beautiful shot, and that is misfield there from the fielder there.
excellent शाबाश
4 runs brings the 180 on board. And this time off the pads, the batsman scamper for a single. Score moves on to 181. That's the last ball of the match. I mean, innings from Salients. Well, that's got him bored, and that is a good end to the innings, but a very excellent score here from Stallions. 181 for the loss of 9 wickets. After initial loss, they came back very nicely